Hey, do you like to live for 85 plus years while staying healthy? Do you wonder how some people actually can live for longer, that too without any major health issue? The secret is in the living style, but this is also true: we are not able to adopt healthy lifestyle, or we all know the importance. But still, I created this video to summarize 100 ways that can make you live healthy for 100 years or more. So let's get started. 1. Take active breaks while working. For every hour you sit, get up and move your body for 10 minutes. 2. Sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours a night. 3. Do not go grocery shopping hungry. You'll end up buying a lot of junk. 4. Be kind and learn to forgive. 5. Avoid deep frying your snacks. Bake those potatoes instead of frying them. 6. Stop eating when you are 80% full. 7. Count to when you are angry. Control your anger. Accept that you cannot control everything. 8. Go running or on a hike with your friends and family. 9. Brush your teeth twice a day. 10. Always chew your food properly. Don't eat your food in a rush. 11. Change your bed sheets and pillow covers every week. 12. Eat your dinner 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. 13. Take the stairs instead of the lift. 14. Do not undereat or starve yourself. Eat when you are hungry. 15. Bike to your work, if possible. 16. Limit your caffeine intake. 17. Eat whole fruits instead of drinking the juice. Your body needs fiber for better digestion. 18. Avoid very hot showers, as it damages your hair and skin. 19. Wash your face and body towels every 7 to 10 days. 20. Avoid chemical cleaners whenever possible. Use natural cleaners instead. 21. Sleep before midnight and wake up early. 22. Control your portion while eating. Choose a smaller plate to eat. 23. Pack leftovers for lunch. Avoid eating out. 24. Floss your teeth to keep them healthy. 25. Moisturize your skin. 26. Go to bed at approximately the same time every day. 27. Use essential oils that support wellness. 28. Do not eat while watching TV. Practice mindful eating. 29. Cook at home whenever possible. Eat healthy and home-cooked meals. You will save money too. 30. Cuddle more. 31. Maintain a food diary and understand your eating habits. Make the necessary changes to your diet. 32. Do not Google your symptoms and try to self-diagnose yourself. Go to a doctor. 33. Be more active overall. 34. Start meditation. 35. Develop a positive attitude and learn to let go of the past. 36. Do not eat, simply because you are bored and have nothing else to do. 37. Every morning, open the windows and allow fresh air and sunlight to come in. 38. Always read the labels of the foods before buying. Do not fall prey to the marketing gimmicks. 39. Replace refined grains with whole grains. 40. Declutter your workplace and house to reduce stress. 41. Eat easily digestible food at dinner. 42. Wear sunscreen daily. Do not skip it because it's cloudy. The harmful UV rays are there, even when you cannot see the sun. 43. Deep clean your house every weekend. 44. Drink fruit-infused water throughout the day. 45. Stretch your body after you wake up and do yoga. 46. Grow plants in your house, especially air-purifying plants such as devil's ivy or pothos, epipremnum aureum, and peace lily, spathiphyllum. 47. Spend some time daily in the fresh air. 48. Listen to relaxing music. Calm your mind. 49. Complete 10,000 steps daily. 50. Drink your greens. Make healthy green smoothies at home. 51. Wash your hands frequently and keep a hand sanitizer with you when you go out of the house. 52. Eat fruits like apples, pears and kiwis with their skin. 53. Drink herbal tea or green tea. 54. Avoid processed food. 55. Reduce your intake of salt and sodium. 56. Start your day with a large 1 glass of water. 57. Eat organic products as much as possible. 58. Deep clean your fridge to avoid the growth of bacteria and fungus. 59. Laugh more. Watch stand-up comedy or a funny movie. 60. Stop negative self-talk. 61. Take special care of your personal hygiene. 62. Add turmeric to your food for extra health benefits. 63. Smile more often. 64. Exercise for 30 minutes daily. If 30 sounds too much, start with 5 or 10 and gradually increase your time. 65. Write down your feeling and allow yourself to process your emotions. 66. Follow a good skincare routine. 67. Keep your phone on a side table and not under your pillow while sleeping. 68. Have a morning routine. 69. Do not bring your laptop and work to your bed before sleeping. 70. Never skip your breakfast. 71. Be realistic, you cannot survive only on salads and one donut will not kill you. Try moderation. 72. Cut and file your nails every week. Keep them clean. 73. Spend quality time with your family. 74. Eat more probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi. 75. Cut down on fizzy drinks and store-bought juices. 76. Drink minimum 8 glasses of water a day. 77. Add more vegetables, fruits and lentils to your diet. 78. Eat 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day instead of 3 heavy meals. 79. Include a variety of protein in your diet, such as eggs, soy, seeds and lean meat. 80. Plan your meals. 81. Invest in yourself. Take out time for yourself and practice self-care. 82. Practice the 20/20/20 rule to reduce eye strain. For every 20 minutes, you work on a screen, stare at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 83. Limit your alcohol consumption. 84. Replace unhealthy snack with healthier options like nuts, carrot and celery sticks. 85. Replace unhealthy fat in your food with healthy fat, such as coconut oil and avocado. 86. Go for regular health checkups. 87. Avoid drinking calories. Make your iced coffee at home. 88. Stop smoking, if you are a smoker, or at least try to reduce it. 89. Include superfoods like spirulina and kale in your diet. 90. Listen to your body. Visit a doctor whenever necessary. 91. Talk to a friend when you are feeling low. 92. Limit your sugar intake. Eat fruits for desserts. 93. Go for a walk after dinner. 94. Daily repeat positive and powerful affirmations. 95. Include different colored vegetables and fruit in your diet. 96. Have a social media detox day every week. 97. Stop buying unhealthy foods like potato chips and cola. 98. Improve your posture and sit up straight. 99. Take smaller bites while eating. 100. Cry if you want to.